Mount Zion is a place for you. Mount Zion is a place for me, where your heart must be free and your mind from mental slavery. No crying there, no dying there, only life is there. So give thanks and share. So I'm trotting, we're trotting, we're going home. I'm trotting, we're trotting, we're going home. We're trotting to see the Master, the one who let us prosper. Shine His light in the darkness and let us see bright. We're going to Mount Zion, that's where the children shall stand. Give their heart to Georgia, they shall live long. I'm trotting, we're trotting, we're going home. I'm trotting, we're trotting, we're going home. Whether we creep or walk, whether we ride or drive, whether we go on ship, whether we fly in the sky, whether summer or winter, whether autumn or spring, may I feel the King. Give all praises to Him. I'm trotting, we're trotting, we're going home. I'm trotting, we're trotting, we're going home. In Babylon is not my home, that's why we have to go home. Me want me fling big stone and go mash down Rome. Them think I joke around when the crowd them come gather round. When just step in a town, I'm the only man with will triple crown. So I'm trotting, you're trotting, we're going home. I'm trotting, we're trotting, we're going home. Yes, we're going home to Mount Zion. Yes, we're going